The C-5M Super Galaxy is a strategic transport aircraft and is the largest aircraft in the Air Force inventory. Its primary mission is to transport cargo and personnel for the Department of Defense. The C-5M is a modernized version of the legacy C-5 designed and manufactured by Lockheed Martin. Currently the U.S. Air Force owns and operates 52 C-5B, C-M. They are stationed at Dover Air Force Base, Delaware, Travis AFB, California, Lackland AFB, Texas, and Westover Air Reserve Base, Massachusetts. The C-5M Super Galaxy is equipped with 5 sets of landing gear, 28 wheels, 4 General Electric CF6-80C2-L1F, F-138 commercial engines, and a state-of-the-art maintenance diagnostic system. It can carry oversized cargo over intercontinental ranges and can take off and land on relatively short runways. Both the nose and aft doors open, allowing ground crews to simultaneously load and offload cargo from both ends, reducing cargo transfer times. The full-width drive-on ramps at each end enable double rows of vehicles to be transported. The maintenance diagnostic system has the ability to record and analyze data from more than 7,000 test points, reducing maintenance and repair time. The C-5M, with a cargo load of 281,001 pounds, 127,460 kilograms, can fly 2,150 nautical miles, offload, and fly to a second base 500 nautical miles away from the original destination. All without aerial refueling. With aerial refueling, the aircraft's range is limited only by crew endurance. The C-5M Super Galaxy Strategic Transport Aircraft, a modernized version of the legacy C-5, was designed and manufactured by Lockheed Martin to extend the capability of the C-5 Galaxy fleet to remain in service at least until 2040. The C-5M Super Galaxy Transport Aircraft achieved Initial Operational Capability, IOC, in February 2014. The aircraft set 89 world aeronautical records to date. The C-5M Super Galaxy Transport Aircraft offers greater reliability and efficient performance at reduced operating and lifecycle costs. It integrates more than 70 enhancements and requires reduced maintenance per flight hour. The aircraft has a length of 75.53 meters, a height of 19.84 meters and a wingspan of 67.91 meters. The operating and maximum takeoff weights of the aircraft are 181,437 kilograms and 381,018 kilograms respectively. The aircraft has a fuel capacity of 150,819 kilograms and payload carrying capacity of 129,274 kilograms. The aircraft is equipped with 5 sets of landing gears with a total of 28 wheels. The C-5M Super Galaxy Transport Aircraft is powered by 4 GE CF6-80C2 turbofan engines, each developing a thrust of 50,580 lb. The length and diameter of the engine are 4.26 meters and 2.69 meters respectively. The dry weight of the engine is 9,860 pounds. The engines comply with Stage 4 noise and emission and provide the aircraft with 22% more thrust and 58% higher rate of climb. The aircraft can fly at a normal cruise speed of 0.77 Mach. It has an unrefueled range of about 4,800 nanometers with 54,430 kilograms of cargo, as well as 7,000 nanometers with no load. C-5 modernization provides greatly improved reliability, efficiency, maintainability and availability, while ensuring this critical national strategic airlift resource continues serving the warfighter well into the 21st century. Since its inception, the C-5 has been a critical instrument of national policy, from the defense of Israel in the Yom Kippur War, to the air bridge supporting coalition forces in Desert Storm. The C-5 delivers unmatched capability to carry enormous loads over global distances. Features unique to the C-5 include the forward cargo door, visor, and ramp and the aft cargo door system and ramp. These features allow drive-on, drive-off loading and unloading as well as loading and unloading from either end of the cargo compartment. The C-5's kneeling capability also facilitates and expedites these operations by lowering the cargo compartment floor by about 10 feet to 3 feet off the ground. This position lowers cargo ramps for truck bed and ground loading and reduces ramp angles for loading and unloading vehicles. The C-5's floor does not have treadways. The floor-bearing pressure is the same over the entire floor. The C-5A-B can carry up to 36 463L pallets. The troop compartment is located in the aircraft's upper deck. It is self-contained with a galley, 2 lavatories, and 73 available passenger seats. CB at FS-1675. Another 267 airline seats may be installed on the cargo compartment floor. Maximum combined total of 329 troops including aircrew over water.